general. So these were the four main rules of determiners. Determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are the words placed in front of a noun to make clear what the noun refers to. Now, what are the types of determiners? First type is article, second is demonstratives, third is possessives, and fourth is quantifiers. In articles we did a, an, and the. In demonstratives we did these, those, this or that. In possessives we did my, yours, his, their. Quantifiers we did few, some, six or no. Examples of articles. There is a dog in balcony. Second, of demonstratives. This is a cat. Possessives. This is my book. An example of quantifier. There are some chocolates in the jar. So now we will read brief in articles. Articles. Definition. Articles are words that define a noun or as specific or unspecific. Articles are defined into two categories. First is definite or second is indefinite. In first definite we did the, and in second indefinite we did a and the. Demonstratives. These are used to indicate the position or location of a noun. For example, this, that, these and those. And they are classified into two more categories, that are singular noun and plural noun. For example, near to us, far to us, near to us and far to us. Okay. And determiners of possessives. It is used to show the possession of a thing referenced by a following noun and tells us who owns something. Possessives: my, his, her, its, their, etc., etc. Quantifiers. These are used to modify a noun to indicate its quantity. How many or how much. Quantifiers examples: few, a few, many, much, any, little, enough, and etc. These are some rules for using quantifiers. Some are used only with countable and some are used only with uncountable nouns, and some are used with both countables and uncountable nouns. In countable nouns, we can count pen, book, table. In uncountable noun, there are rice, salt, sugar, because we can't count it. And if we talk about countable noun in plural, then they will be pens, books, tables. Okay, so these were the rules of quantifiers and the four types of determiners.